Welcome to AuditOne's comprehensive report on Newwit smart contract security analysis. Newwit is the world's first Predict-to-Earn and SocialFi project dedicated to AI-powered future prediction. The audit was conducted in October 2022 and utilized manual analysis. The audit has been concluded with the following stats: security score, 100%, documentation quality, 98%, code quality, 95%. Let's briefly review the auditor's findings. No high-severity issues were found. Medium-severity issues. Unsafe use of mint instead of safe mint. The usage of safe mint guarantees that the receiver to address is either a smart contract that implements IARC 721 receiver, 1RC 721 received, or an EOA. No cap for minter. Minter can misuse his powers to mint as many tokens as he wishes. Since there is no cap for minter, he could end up reaching max supply quickly. Mint started modifier missing. Mint can happen even when the minting operation is paused. Mint started modifier is missing, meaning the owner can mint even when the minting operation is paused. Unrestricted approval to hard-coded addresses. The hard-coded address can take away user-owned NFT to itself. There is no storage gap for upgradable contracts. Without a storage gap, the variable in the child contract might be overwritten by the upgraded base contract if new variables are added to the base contract. Low severity issues. The owner should be multi-sig and should use a time lock. There are several important functions such as set paused, authorize upgrade, mint, mint to, set URI prefix, set URISU, which have an only owner modifier. If the private keys of the owner are compromised, then the malicious user can execute functions such as set paused. Additionally, if the owner's private keys are lost, then all the functions using the modifier only owner would be held useless. In the current implementation, owner is not a multi-sig and time lock is not being used. The initialize function can be front-run. The attacker can initialize the contract before the legitimate deployer, hoping that the victim continues to use the same contract. In the best case for the victim, they notice it and have to redeploy their contract, costing gas. Observe that the initialize function has no modifier to restrict ACL for the caller, making it available for any user. The initialize functions are not protected. Malicious calls can try to gain ownership of a contract by calling unprotected initialize functions or by upgrading the implementation's address. ERC20 token is an upgradable contract that does not protect its initialize functions from inherited contracts. Basic validation missing on mint and mint to. Minting can be done to an incorrect 0 address. Observe that both mint and mint to functions are missing basic validation for address amount quantity. The mint function is marked as payable. Ether can get locked in the contract. If value is being passed while calling mint, Ether will get locked in the contract because it is unable to handle native tokens. Explore all findings in the comprehensive audit report on our website. Click the link below for more details. AuditOne's audit has enhanced Newwit smart contract security. For more information, visit our website or follow us on social media. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.